My name is Nguyen. I'm a Chin Family Engagement Specialist working for Communities in School.
Hi, my name is Moses Boy. I am currently working at Vickery Elementary School as an ISS aide.
My name is Amos Nansung. I'm at UNT, and so currently I'm just working on getting everything ready for medical school.
My name is Sung Ken, and right now I am working at Southridge Elementary School as SDI aide.
Hello, my name is Munzi. I'm currently at school right now.
Right now, my country is at war. My people, the Chin community, they are at war, and a lot of the students here, the families, they still have families that are impacted by the war. So because of that, kids, students were not able to go to school for two years now.
Me and some of my friends have been planning on returning to Burma since 2020. The plan was to volunteer at an orphanage back in Burma and do some research on our own, but it was canceled because of COVID. With the same group of friends, we were talking about how our people are in need of our presence, and so they just need so much support, moral support, any support that they can get.
I've been always wanting to go back to Burma ever since I graduated from the university because I know what it was like growing up there because I had school there, so I know the experience and like ways I can help the community. So this trip was formed as a result of a group of friends desiring to give back to our people.
The schools, as of now, they don't have any system. They're basically going from day to day, and they don't even have proper lesson plans, and most of the teachers are actually students that are about to graduate from high school, but they couldn't quite graduate because of the coup.
It was very fun yet very emotional to see my home country. It brought back a lot of memories.
One thing that I learned from this trip is that how much we need each other. This trip was possible because of the many people that did their part, the small things that they did for us, for my friends. This trip was successful. Just like that, I think the message I want to spread is that we need each other, as we need friends, families, and communities to be able to create something that is good for us and good for the next generation.